So to get started with Forex trading, you would have to open up a Forex trading account with a reliable broker. Our broker of choice is XM. So as you can see on the screen, I am on the XM website. So you will then go to www.xm.com. Once you get to the home page, you will then see that you've got two options. You can open up a demo account, which will have a few of 100,000 of virtual dollars. And then you can open up a live account, which is that you can start with $30 free. I would recommend opening up a live account as soon as possible. However, when you do open up a live account and you click on it, you're going to be asked to fill in a bunch of details. If you're not sure about, well, if you haven't opened up a trading account before, you're not sure what to do when you are on this page, you will be asked what trading platform to use once you've obviously filled in all your other personal details on top. So once asked what trading platform to use, you can select either MT4 or MT5. MT4 is the current trading platform that we use, which is actually called MetaTrader 4. MT5 is a new platform that was introduced about 2 to 3 years ago, which is MetaTrader 5. A bit more things can be traded on the MetaTrader 5 platform, things such as cryptocurrencies, different types of stocks, etc. But for the purpose of this course, we will only be focusing on Forex. So for now, you can open up an MT4 account. In future, however, they will be phasing out the MT4 accounts and everyone would have to make the switch to MT5. But for now, it's safe to say that we can still run MT4. I am still currently running MT4, obviously until it becomes obsolete. So for a trading platform, you would then choose MT4. For your account type, you would then choose a standard account. Okay, for the demonstration purposes of opening up an account, I cannot go past this page, and that is because I haven't filled in any of my personal details, because I do currently have a live account. So what I will be explaining to you is just what to do on the next page. So when you do proceed to step 2, they're going to ask you what type of leverage you want to use. When prompted for the leverage that you want to use, please select 1 to 500 as your leverage. When asked your base currency, select USD, which is United States dollar. Okay. There's going to be a bunch of other personal information that the broker will require from you that you need to fill in. Fill in all of that information as truthfully as possible, and then you can proceed with registering your live account. You will then be sent an email, a confirmation email. You would then need to confirm that you are opening up a live account. Once you open up that email and you confirm your registration, you will then be sent a second email which will have your login details. With that login details, you will receive a MT4 or MT5 ID. So that is the ID that you would use, you would need to type in when you log into the broker platform, and also when you log into your trading platform, once your trading platform has been downloaded to your PC. So you would have to keep your MT4 ID safe, and obviously when putting in your MT4 ID, you would also need to put in your password that you have used to register with. So that is how you open up a trading account. Okay. The minimum amount that you can start with when opening up a trading account is $100. You can start a trading account with less, but ideally I would say that $100 would be the starting amount of choice. You would see that when you are on the XM website, you will have a member login section. So if I click on the member login section, obviously once I've already been registered, you would then see that here's an MT4, MT5 ID. So this is one of my MT4, MT5 IDs. That is how it looks, and you can see obviously that I've got a password that is covered up. So then you would log into your platform, and it would show you details such as how much money you've got in your account. It will give you options to withdraw funds, it will give you options to transfer funds, various other options that you would have once you log into the member section. So as we go back to the home page, just go back to the home page. So as you go back to the home page, you will see that if you scroll right to the bottom, you can actually see all the awards that this recommended broker of ours has won. So it's safe to say that this is a pretty good broker that we are using currently. Obviously, you can use a broker of your choice. You do not have to go with XM. But because Bull FX trades with XM, I'm showing you how to open up an account with them, as this is one of my trusted brokers. So as you scroll down to the bottom, you see that you are able to download. They would show you here that you can download various platforms. So it says that you've got MT4 platforms over there, and that you've got MT5 platforms. Based on the type of account that you opened with the platform that you chose, you would then download that one, and obviously for the specific device that you are using. So if you opened up a MT4 account and you are running a normal PC, you would then choose MT4 PC. If it's an MT4 account and you are running your system that you're using is a Mac or Apple device, you would then choose MT4 for Mac. Same for iPad, iPhone, Android, and so on. On the MT5 side, you've got exactly the same options as well. So if you have an MT5 account, you would then choose your platform for whichever device you are running. You would then download that platform, install it to your device, and then you would then have to you would have to log into your account. So you have to enter your MT4 or MT5 ID along with your password for the platform to go live. So this is how you open up a trading account. Now we can get into what Forex trading is. So let's get into the next video.